Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the Kimirica The Royal Gulistan Luxury Gift Set for Women and Men, a 5-piece 100% vegan pampering kit infused with the majestic fragrance of Rose Absolute and Iris Perfect for anniversaries, birthdays, or any special occasion. It's marketed as a royal self-care indulgence, so let's see if it lives up to its name. First up, the packaging. It's absolutely gorgeous. Shipped by Kimirica on Amazon, it arrived in a luxurious box with a ribbon, no extra wrapping needed. Screams premium gifting. Inside, we've got 100ml shower gel, 100ml body lotion, 100-gram bath salt, 100-gram bathing bar, and 50ml hand cream, all crafted with organic rosewater, ginkgo biloba, and white tea extracts, vegan, paraben-free, and cruelty-free. Starting with the shower gel, I used it and it lathers rich and creamy. The rose scent with black pepper and cardamom notes is divine, left my skin soft and refreshed, not drying at all. Next, the body lotion. It's lightweight and absorbs fast. I applied it post-shower and my skin felt hydrated and velvety. The fragrance lingers for hours, a total spa vibe. The bath salt is a treat. I sprinkled it in my tub for a relaxing soak. The rose aroma filled the bathroom, so calming and luxurious. The bathing bar is gentle and moisturizing. I used it and it cleansed without stripping my skin, holds up well in the shower. Finally, the hand cream. It's nourishing and non-greasy. I applied it and my hands felt soft with a subtle rose scent, perfect for daily use. This set's gender-neutral, travel-friendly, and gift-ready. Not cheap, but worth it for the quality and experience. Ideal for couples or solo pampering. Want more? Stay tuned for my next video with a rose-inspired spa routine. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think or what you want to see next. Maybe a couple's gift guide. Thanks for watching. Let's keep glowing together.